us to be one strong, united country, it must be built on the principles of justice, equity, and fairness. And that is why I are young and you are begging that the Constitution gives him power to discontinue any criminal prosecution. And that power is the power we want the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to his Attorney General, to issue the knowledge to the Federal High Court. And this continue the ongoing trial and release our brother, Mazin Nandekano, so that the path to peace and reconciliation can start. On that note, that we are still calling on him that it is time, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it is time to open the gate and let Mazin Nandekano go. The reason for the need for him to release it, open the door for genuine reconciliation and resolution of all the issues. And these issues are hinging on injustice and treatment that are not paid to evils. Because under the Constitution, he has the power through his Attorney General